got a red light on? Yeah. Say! Yep, it's dead. I mean, that's where I usually go. That's where I usually go.
I'll follow you. I'll follow you till death. I'll follow you to death. I will follow you. You're going top, right?
I usually go up top.
Alright, we'll get over here then.
I'm on top, William.
I will follow you to death. If you die, I will just avenge you.
This is my first time using my pistol in the airsoft in this arena. Oh, you better hope the battery didn't die. Was it on like before you got here? I'm not sure about that. I've seen a guy here roll around and got shot in the balls. Oh, weird. Liar. You trying to light up the BB? William, my tracer's dead from my assault rifle. Stop shooting! Oh my word.
Bro, this is a lot of people. I'm following this dude till death. I got a gun. No, just everybody run! You ready, bro? Trey! Right here, come on. Move, rush me, go. Don't like speed something or something.
Well, we gotta get to the roof. I wish you could jump through windows. I wish you could jump through the windows. I like just right jump through the window, be like gone. I'll be gone. Somebody be chasing me, I'm gone. Go through the window, turn around, laser them.
Bro, my freaking, what's it called? The switch is freaking one, so
Oh, then full auto just pull it once. Or the full auto just pull the trigger once. Pull like for a split second. Just go like. Oh, I'm going up top. That's usually the best place.
Last game, freaking last game, Juicy sat right here. Oh yeah.
Oh. Boom, boom. Oh, whenever the match gonna start.
Yes, sir. Yes, Daddy.
Stop. Hey. You're good. Our teammate shot me. You're good. You're good.
If I get knocked, will you rest me?
Bro, you got a Fortnite kid over here. We got a Fortnite kid in our team. That's not good. William, we got a Fortnite kid on our team. That's not good. don't push. Maybe we'll have a chance if we do. That is full auto. Guard that right there. Go right there. Make sure nobody's coming that way. Oh. Hey. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Don't leave. Bro, I got like 20 people out. That was so much fun. I got like 20 people out. Go. Bro, I got like 20 people out on the top. I was going like that right over the side. I got so many people out. William, I got like 20 people out. I went over there, I had my gun like that, and I was shooting people. Move, newbies. Where, are they right around the corner? Move. My bad. Alright. That kid's hit. Within the stone time. He can't respawn where he was. Move. Well, this is so much fun. But literally none of you guys are backing me up right now. So that's the only. Hey, be careful with that. Don't hit me. Bro. William. Every time I go back, you guys come back. Don't find that. Get a better spot. Bro, this is so much fun. I'm just like carrying all you guys. Bro, I was carrying my whole team. When I go back to the top, go back a little bit, my whole team would just follow me. What?
I can throw a grenade.
He got a grenade.
Yeah, we twin. Is it white?
Bro,
No, it's
I want him to be with me, so if there's anybody around the corner, you can toss it in. I want to.
that way we don't.
I forgot to load that back up. Because I already used it.
Oh, well, you can just toss it in. What? You don't want to go, bro?
Daddy. Ready.
Oh.
You gotta start.
A GoPro 6 is only like 200. A GoPro 6 is only about 200. Hit it. Bro. William, toss your grenade up there. Bro, this guy kept spamming me. Oh. Oh wait, my bad. I didn't know it was on full auto. My arm hit it. My bad, bro. Blind firing! Ref! Blind fire! Someone's blind firing! Bro, you're good. Nobody's up there. Nobody's up there. This kid kept blind firing. This kid kept blind firing. Go top. I'll do this. Come on, baby. Damon walking. Damon walking. You're good. Nobody's up top. No one's up top. No one's up top. Sorry, teammates. Go up top. Up top. Damon walking. Bro, somebody kept blind firing. I saw this kid caught in 4K blind firing.
I would.
I didn't do that. Bro, I caught somebody blind firing on my GoPro. What?
I want to guard next to y'all.
Huh?
I don't want to guard next to y'all.
Oh. My teammates, my teammates were staying at the bottom, they kept getting blown up. What? No, that was mine. It's west. I caught somebody blind firing my camera.
You know what they look like?
I know they had one of the rentals and they were right at the tires.
They what?
I know had a rental and they're on the tires.
Alright,
I saw them put their gun over.
I'll keep an eye out.
I caught somebody blind firing my camera. Alright, bro. My bad. Emma. Hey, he's right there. They're right around that corner. Go get him, he's right around the corner. Bro, why y'all scary cat? Go, bro. Go up top. Up top. This kid keeps cheating. Bro, these kids keep cheating. Hey! What are you guys doing? They're right around this corner. Move. Get out of my way. You're hit! I hate you! So nobody else keeps rushing. I swear they're only back here. Blind firing! Blind firing! The kid is blind firing on the top. He's right over there. He kept picking. He kept going like this.
This side now.
He kept going like this.
He's over there now.
Right,
He's up there.
yeah. Right by the entry.
10 kids up there, so I need to know, do you have anything else to describe him? Is there a rental gun? Is there...
Yes, rental gun.
Alright.
Someone that's on the right.
Yep.
And I got his teammate out and he kept shooting me. He keeps pointing his gun over the edge. Bro, don't stay back. Go rush. Stop shooting. Blue. Hey! Go up! Go up there! Bro, I hit this kid. He did not call his hit. They're back to cheating again. Hey! Bro! He's spawn camping. Bro, what are you don't? Oh my word! Go up and shoot them if you don't want them to stop camping. Move. Right there, right there. They're at the tower. Go get them. Move. Pussy. Stop flashing that. They're at the tower. Oh, you guys are pussies! Oh my word. Oh my word. You guys are horrible. Besides you, you're not horrible. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Move. Don't shoot. Oh, shoot! I'm a green gas. Stay Milwaukee! Bro, my teammates are trash. Bro, my teammates are trash. Red light? Yeah, it's on. Okay. Ah! Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wait, are we gonna go upstairs? And the game's... Has the game started? Has the game started, bro? Has the game... Ah! Nope. They tried to spray me, bro. They tried to shoot at me. I went out because I thought the game was started. I came right back. Has the game started?
Yeah, just say
Go, 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 go! Ah! We can?
No, they can't.
Yeah, we can.
No, they can't.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna walk like a juggernaut and Call of Duty. Juggernaut what? You're hit! Loser! I got you. Hey! I hate you! Bro, I hit that kid several times. I've hit that kid several times. This kid down in that corner kept cheating. It's back right there. I hit him several times. He just did not go back. Alright, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down. Move out, move out, move out. Hey! Look at that corner on the very end. There's so many cheaters. I'm not cheating. Oh. I hit that kid. This kid keeps cheating. I gotta let 10 people out. Alright, pistol time. Sorry, it's on the backside. I hit you. Hey, where am I getting shot from? Oh, 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 oh. Look at that little white red building right there. No, over there. Hey! Go! That side's clear. Alright. Time for pistol then. Look at the corner. Ooh, 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 ooh! I'm out of ammo. Crap. Yeah, I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna go in here to read my mag.
Please, 5 times 0, 0, 0, 0.
I love my pistol. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Out of my way! Get out of my way! Ah! Ah! Fire firing! Oh, I'm out of green gas! I'm out of green gas! Get my walkie! I'm out of green gas! William, you got the green grass on my back? Can you get my green grass on my back? It's the second pocket. One right in the middle. Alright. I was rushing, I'm about to get a bunch of people. And in my mag, when I bring gas. Oh.